Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to solve a number of equations in this video. I hope you find them useful. First, we have 3x minus 2 is equal to x add 1. What we'll do is add positive 2 to both sides of this equation, and the result is x add 1 add 2. Next, we'll add negative x to both sides, and the result is this, which eventually gives us 2x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 over 2 equal to 1.5. And that's the solution to this equation. You can verify this by substituting x equal to 1.5. Right, here's our second equation. For this, we'll cross multiply. So we'll have 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 times x add 1. Now, also, the reason we have 3x minus 2 here is because 0 is the same as 0 over 1. So when we cross multiply, we have 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 times this, which is 0. So we have that this now is equal to 0. So we add 2 to both sides. We have 3x is equal to 2, giving us that x is equal to 2 over 3, 2/3. Again, you can substitute x equal to 2 over 3 in this equation to verify that the result is 0. Right, our third problem. Here we'll cross multiply because we have a fraction on the right hand side of the equal sign, and we want to simplify this. So we have 3x minus 2 to x add 1. And this is equal to, remember this is over 1, so it's 2 times 1, which is 2. Now we'll clear the brackets, and then we might see something a bit simpler, possibly a quadratic, as I can guess. We have 3x squared add 3x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. And if we bring it, add negative 2 to both sides, we'll have 3x squared add 3x minus 2x. Now we add in a negative 2 to this side, so this will be cancelled. So we end up with negative 4 over here. This is equal to 0. So next, we need to simplify this. So we'll have 3x squared. This will give us x minus 4 equal to 0. So now we have a quadratic to solve in x. Quadratic in x to solve. Now, the product AC is minus 12. So two numbers we need to find out. When multiplied will give us negative 12. When added will give us the coefficient of x, which is 1. And that will be 4 and 3. So we can write it. This is now equivalent to 3x squared and 4x minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. We can factorize this to give us x into 3x add 4 minus 1 into 3x add 4, 0. And further to this, we have that x, 3x add 4 is common to x, and 3x add 4 is common to negative 1. So we can write it 3x add 4 is common to x and negative 1. So one of our solutions is 3x add 4 is equal to 0, giving us that 3x equal to negative 4. So x is equal to minus 1 1/3. Or we can have that x minus 1 is equal to 0, giving us that x. Just going off the screen a bit there. We can write out x minus 1 is equal to 0, giving us that x is equal to 1. So these are the two solutions to this equation. X equal to negative 1 1/3 or x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair. Right, here's our final equation. Now on the left we have an expression, and then we have a fractional algebraic expression, and then we have a whole number on the right. We need to form one equation on the left, one fraction on the left, to make this a lot easier to manipulate. So we'll combine these two, this fraction and this expression, as one by doing this. 3x minus 2. We'll have a common denominator of x add 1. So we have x add 1. Remember, this is over 1, so it's 2 times 1, which is 2. So this times this added to 2 times 1, which is 2, over x add 1. So now we've combined both of these two as one fraction with a common denominator. And this is equal to 1. So we can write that 3x minus 2, x add 1, add 2, cross multiply here, now is equal to 1, because 1 over 1 is 1, so the numerator remains the same. Oops, sorry. X add 1. X add 1 times 1 is x add 1. Now we can simplify and then see how we go about solving this. So we clear the brackets, we have 3x squared, add 3x, minus 2x minus 2, add 2 is equal to x add 1. And this gives us x, this is 0, equal to x add 1. Now if we add negative x to both sides, we'll get rid of the x. And if we add negative 1 to both sides, we'll have negative 1 on the left. But as it is, we'll leave it on the right. So we have 3x squared is equal to 1. So x squared is equal to 1/3, which implies that x has two values, guys, plus or minus the square root of 1/3. And this is the solution to our final equation. Thanks for staying with me. Thanks for watching. Watch some more videos. I'm Alistair.